Hi guys, I'm Abhinav. This is my Triumph Tiger 1200 and I just rode back from Patiala in Punjab. I had gone there for a few days, 3-4 days. So I was carrying my Triumph tail bag and I had my, the top case, the Triumph top case installed on the motorcycle. Tomorrow, I just got back from Patiala right now, and tomorrow I'm leaving on a trip to Uttarakhand again. So on this trip, I realized that every time I had to get off the motorcycle, open up the top case and take out small things. For example, if I wanted to switch gloves from winter gloves to smaller gloves, or if I just wanted to take out my camera equipment, every single time I had to take a look at my the top case. So I spoke to my friend. Now he works with Jivi India, and I asked him, for the trip, can you guys loan me a tank bag, something that sits over here so that it's convenient. I don't have to take out my camera equipment every single time by going through the top case over here. So I have Sahil. Now Sahil is with Jivi, and Jivi, by the way guys, has been brought to India by Extreme Automobiles. Now these guys, they also run the Kawasaki West Delhi dealership. So we're at the Kawasaki West Delhi showroom right now. That is their service center over there. That is why you see a 10-hour standing over here. And now let's get to the product over here. Let's take a look. So when I asked my friend Jassi that Jassi Paji, what is it that you would recommend? So Jassi told me that the best would be if you go for something which is a tank rink based tank bag, which has a flange over here and a quick release system so that you can take off the bag very quickly. So we'll just show you all of that. First and foremost, this is the tank bag that we have gone for. This is a ST603B. This is by Jivi. So look at the construction. Now Jivi is an Italian firm, guys, and this is the mechanism for the quick release. If we turn it back, the capacity of this tank bag is 15 liters when it's expanded, and I think that is good enough for me. Now a good thing here is you can have your cell phone right here, because now this is something that I realized, once this sits over here like this, there is no way I'll be able to use my phone mount. So I'll probably just keep my phone in here, and this screen, you can use your phone through this. We'll do a live review of this once we are on the ride. For now, let's just fit this. So for my Tiger 1200, we need the BF02 flange. So this is made out of metal, and it looks to be CNC cut. Sahil, I'm right?
Yes.
Will you tell us how to install it?
इसमें मेन हमें ये फ्लैंज दी जाती है।
हाँ।
और इसके अंदर एक और पार्ट होता है ये।
ठीक है।
और बैक के अंदर हमारी एक रिंग निकलती है प्लास्टिक की।
अच्छा।
तो पहले हमें वो लगानी पड़ेगी।
ठीक है।
पहले हमें ये बोल्ट खोलने पड़ेंगे।
हाँ।
उसके बाद हमें वो रिंग उतारनी है इसमें से।
हाँ।
ये रिंग उसके ऊपर आएगी।
ठीक है, लेट्स डू इट। ये कितने mm का बोल्ट है? 4 mm। ओके।
इसमें एक जगह छोटा है।
अच्छा।
3 जगह बराबर है।
ठीक है।
ये वाला एक छोटा है।
ये वाला छोटा होता है।
हाँ जी।
ओके। So first this little metal part goes in, then this big metal plate, plastic plate sits on top of that. So this is what creates the clearance, guys, so that the bag never touches your tank. And then this metal plate sits on top of it. So the screws comes applied. So we are going to use, so it comes with 5 screws. There are 3 big ones and 1 small one here. There's 1 small one again in the pack, maybe because this ring is compatible with 3-4 models. So here we only need 4, maybe in some we need 5. So he's going to start doing it. Yeah. So yeah, so you know your fuel lid, this does not foul anywhere. Look at the finish, extremely precise, extremely precise. And now you know, now let me just show this to you again. Doesn't touch anywhere. All right, Sahil is going to show us how this will get installed on the motorcycle, and then we'll show you the quick release. So this is the mechanism. So once this thing moves, the plastic inserts, they move back, it sits in place, and then they come back and they lock in. So let's try and do that. Done. As simple as that. It's not going to go anywhere now. Yeah. Takes a second to take off and takes a second to put on the bike. Perfect. What is this? This looks like a rain cover. So these are straps to carry the bag. Inside you have compartments over here. So this is where the phone will sit. So I use an LG V30 Plus. This is a 6-inch screen, I believe. And it has a Spigen or Spigen, I don't know how to pronounce it, tough armor case. So it's a pretty big phone. So let's see how it works. Let's open maps. अच्छा, इसमें वैसे कैपेसिटी क्या होती है इस बैग की?
15 लीटर सर।
नहीं, 15 तो एक्सपैंड होके हो गई। वैसे वैसे ही 15 है और उसके ऊपर एक्सपैंडेबल है। वाह, दैट्स नॉट बैड। हाँ, इट्स डिसेंट। सो ठीक है, दिस मच स्पेस इज इनफ because you're not going to load a lot of you know, accessories etc in here. Power bank, couple of cameras, small cameras. Okay, तो ये पैड किस लिए है? ये यहाँ पे अच्छा उसको कवर करने के लिए है. So this is where the tank ring, ये दिखाएंगे, this is where the tank ring mechanism sits under this. So this pad is, so it just sticks like this over here. You can have your things. They are good enough, decent enough space.
आप ये कहते हैं ना, इसमें water resistance है, waterproof.
अच्छा, so this is water resistant on its own. And now it becomes waterproof. So we'll just maybe this goes from the other side, but yeah. So whether this works, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it does. I mean, you'll need a harder press, but it'll work. This is my view. All right, guys, so we're going to end this video over here. I just wanted to show you guys very quickly. So I just came to Kawasaki, West Delhi, got this so that my ride can, you know, be slightly smoother tomorrow. This is how it looks. It's not very big on the motorcycle. Guys, by the way, this is a test unit. I have not been paid to do this review. This is going to go back once my ride finishes. So yeah. By the way, guys, there's another very trick feature about this. Take a look over here, guys. Do you see this? So it comes with a separate USB port unit. This connects to, you know, your cigarette lighter charger, USB charger over here, and it sort of has a port inside. This is water resistant, water doesn't go in, and then you have 3 USB ports on the inside through which you can charge all your devices. So I think that's a very nifty feature. By the way, we must talk about the price. Sahil, इसका price कितना होता है?
11,499 plus 1399 की इसकी फ्लैंज की किट है.
अच्छा, so 1399 plus 11,499.
हाँ जी, हाँ.
So मोटा मोटा 13,000 रुपए.
हाँ जी.
So guys, this bag is going to set you back by 13,000 rupees. Now that might seem a little expensive, but remember, this is an Italian product. It is imported in our country, and it will be more expensive than the parts that are available here that are locally manufactured. And again, you know, this is a high quality product. Again, make your own conclusions whether you think something like this is worth your money or not. I'm going to ride and I'm going to find out how good or how bad this thing is, whether it's worth the money to me, and maybe if I like it, I'll just buy it. Alright, so we're going to wrap this video up. Thank you so much, Sahil.
Okay.
Alright guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.